Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a picture from your camera roll or gallery while you make YOLO in Snapchat. So let's go to YOLO. Let's make a message, share it to Snapchat. So the YOLO open in the camera screen, and when you tap this camera roll button and browse a picture, the YOLO is gone. So let's close this. Let's open YOLO again. Okay, let's make a message, share to Snapchat. Okay, so we are in the camera screen again, and so what we'll do here, we will tap this filter button. I have already this filter installed. This filter is called camera roll strike. I'll give a link to this lens in the description. So I have already this one installed. Here you can choose a picture from your gallery. And just click this button and you are done. Just send it to whomever you want sent. So that's all guys. Likewise you can browse a picture from your gallery or camera roll and use for YOLO. I'll give the link in the description. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.